What's good, folks? It's your boy Dookie, back again with Bang Budget and New Gear Reviews to help you get the best bang for your tech dollars. Now, recently I reviewed a microphone system from Archeer. I brought out the silky crooning, you know what I'm saying? I was doing some karaoke style stuff. I really blew the people away. It was kind of amazing. I can't remember who all called me, but I know Jimmy Iovine, Puff. There was a couple of people from, various record labels all across the country. I know Rihanna's management, they wanted to bring me in and do some stuff. I was like, nah, I gotta give all of this to my people here at Bang. So y'all gonna get all of this exclusively. We got in front of us today a system from Phoenix, the PTU51 UHF dual wireless microphone system. So now, until I open this, I won't exactly know what's in the box. Because on the front here, you got a picture where it says you can either get two handheld microphones or one handheld microphone and a lavalier kit. So why don't we just pop it open and see what's good? Get out the little unboxing knife, Ah, yeah, get that up out of here. Whew. Okay, so this is pretty cool. In case, you gotta carry this with you. Now, I know a lot of people who would travel, like say you're covering events. Like if you're in YouTube and maybe you wanna go to CES and interview some people and you wanna take a microphone kit with you. Now you got a little handle that you can take with you on the road, keep everything packed in the box and you'll be good to go. Pop that open. Got some foamage. Got your little booklet. All right, this is your receiver right here. You see it's the Phoenix PTU51 receiver. On the front, you have a power. You have your 2 channel indicators, channel A and B. Around the back, you have your power port. You have volume control for your 2 channels. That's pretty cool. This will be your box that you need to transport your sound. Let's get this knife out of here. That's crazy. Let's keep on going. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is pretty cool, man. They actually include the batteries. That's real love. This is kind of disappointing. I thought this was gonna be the one with the wireless lavalier microphone, but it actually comes with 2 of the handheld mics. So this is similar to the mic setup that I just reviewed. We get 2 handheld mics. Pretty simple wireless mic setup. Doesn't look to be the best quality. I've used a lot of wireless mics before. This isn't the best quality, but it's not terrible. I like that it's just simple black. The other ones were like a gray type of feel. Has an on-off button here on the front. Screw off the bottom here, and this is where you place your batteries. So let's go ahead and place your batteries in here. There we go. All right, screw that back on. Here, let's see if you can see that. When I have it in off position, then I switch it to on, it blinks real quick. So I'm guessing that that's on, but we'll go ahead and turn that off for now. Let's get that out of the way. What do we have here? You have a standard 3/4 inch connection on both sides. And then it comes with a plug. Either connect this to your computer, your mixer, your audio interface, and you should be good to go. This will basically take up like 1 track. Like if I wanted to plug this into my Focusrite 2i2, I just plug this right in. It will take in 1 line, 1 input for both of these mics. So that'll be cool. And you also get a charger. So now this is cool. Now, one thing that you might want to try when you're out is finding a way to hook this up portably. You might find some type of converter that you can hook this up to, like a portable battery charger, so that your cameraman can have this on him. You can have this plugged into your camera or to an audio interface, maybe like an audio recorder like a Zoom H5. Plug this right in. So now when you're out in public, you have wireless microphones on the go. So that's something to consider. All right, nothing else in the box. I guess if I would have paid attention to the box, it would have told me. It's been sitting over here so long. Down here on the bottom, it tells you exactly what comes in the box. What I'm gonna do is turn this all around, connect it up to my computer, and we just gonna test these mics out and see what's good. Yoga. All right, fam, real quick before we go any further, I'm actually done with the review. You see, I got all the pieces out. I'm about to put everything away, then I realized something, that I got 2 of these. So this one is fresh in the box. You can see the plastic on the wrapper is still good. I can't use this. So if you need a wireless microphone system, just leave a comment down below. Make sure you comment. After about maybe a week or so, I'll come randomly choose a winner. I'll hit you up and ship this right out to you directly. You're gonna have about 24 hours to respond. If not, I'm gonna pick somebody else. That's enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it actually sounds. Yoga. Right now you're hearing me on the microphone on top of my camera. Now let's switch to this microphone so you can hear the difference. You know, years and years ago, we used to do a video blog called the 5-4 Reality Show. In fact, you can actually still go watch a lot of the episodes. And this would have been perfect because we would go out to events. We would interview some of the game's biggest artists in hip hop and local artists and just show love to a lot of people. And a lot of times I was out there with a microphone. I just had a simple microphone that you would plug into your camera. So now you can get 2 microphones. That way you could just step up, hand them one, whoever you're interviewing, or maybe you have a co-host. Now you guys both have one. You could be mobile, out and about. Or maybe if you're doing karaoke, now 2 people can step up, sing, you know, bring a joyful noise. Maybe you perform out in public and you need a wireless microphone system. You want your own so you don't trust the local setup, that whatever they have. There's a lot of different options. Maybe your church, maybe you run bingo night, maybe you are there's a lot of different reasons why you would want your own microphone set. And this one you might want to check out. So you guys let me know what the sound quality is like down below. I'll let you know what I do to it if I do anything to boost or adjust the sound. I need you guys to leave a comment down below and let me know what's good. It's your Ken Folk Dookie. Holla at your boy.